Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your urban specialist. So hey, I'm looking at another Grand Design Solitude. You're probably saying to yourself, damn it, why are you doing so many Grand Designs? Well, we have 3 dealers near us, so they sell the heck out of these. And as time has gone, we've built a reputation for working on them and doing a good job helping people. But again, we work on everything. So we just see, a lot of times we'll see a lot of different units here on the yard that are more popular than others that are out there. But anyways, this unit, I think they're a new customer to us. They've never been in before. I like the color scheme on this. This was a April of, I believe, 18. So it's a 2018. It still looks fantastic. They came in for, I think this slide out topper was completely missing the topper material. So we put new topper material on this one. I don't know if we did anything else to the slide outs or not, but I think we also did toppers on these sides as well, replace the fabric just because they're too old. So if you need slide out topper replacements, room adjustments, frame repairs, inspections, jack issues, I mean, you name it, we pretty much do anything inside and outside of the units. And I want to thank the customer for coming in and seeing us. And I'm not sure if the guys did an exterior evaluation on this one or not. I know I didn't, but we'll see what they came up with and if the owner wants to do anything else to it, any other maintenance. So, all right, stay tuned for more. This is Dustin, your RV specialist, and thanks for coming in and seeing us. Have a great day.